Well, you know that all good things are worth supporting. And Cleopatra is not only a good queen, but a majestic one, and she deserves to be treated as such. She loves to take care of herself. She likes to receive gifts to make herself beautiful for your presence, develop further and grow as the best crypto trading chat bot. She is able to do that if you support her by making donations to her empire. That way she improves every single day, and she can help you gain more profits in the crypto empire. I will now show you how you can easily make a tribute to your queen. This is really simple. The fastest way to donate is to click the donate button in quick menu. Let's try this first. Here you can see the available options of cryptocurrencies to donate in. Those are currently Bitcoin and Litecoin. As Cleopatra grows, she might add other options. Let's cancel that for now and let me show you the other way to get to donations. I want to show you how you can simply enter the command donate directly into the chat box. As you see, you get the same message in the cryptocurrencies options. In the quick menu you can now choose one of the offered cryptocurrencies to donate in. Should you choose one or another, the following procedure is the same. Let's say we choose Bitcoin and click on the button BTC. Cleopatra now gives you the deposit address where you will send your donation. You can use alphanumerical string and copy it into your wallet's withdrawal address field or simply scan the QR code if you are using your phone to send the donation. Make sure you copy this address into the withdrawal address of your wallet. Now you would need to allow a bit of time for Bitcoin network to process your donation. When the donation has been successfully processed, Cleopatra will get back to you and show you her glory. At that point she is quite excited to start helping you make successful trades. You will notice that Cleopatra offers you button donate and command donate in the related messages. To start the donation procedure, you can use those ways as well to access the deposit address to donate. One of them is the donations message, which explains more about donations. The easiest way to access the donations message is to enter the command donations into the chat box. Let's do that now. So, anytime you'd want to know more about the donations procedure and what it brings to you, you'd enter the command /donations into the chat box. You should be aware that /donations and /donate are two different commands. While the command donations will give you more information about donations, the command donate will offer you the deposit address for your donation. Here, I will show you the command donations that gives you the donations message and a way to donate as well. So, with the donations message, Cleopatra explains the donations procedure and the benefits that you get by donating to her riches. To read through the full description you will move through the pages by clicking the right arrow. As you guessed, you can move back with the left one. Let's try this. The easiest way to donate through this message is to click the button donate below the message. Let's showcase this option. By clicking the button donate, you will get the same message as when you enter the command donate into the chat box. So, that is another way to make a donation. If you need any help with that, just ask Cleopatra's admins in the Cleopatra's Telegram channel. You will find a link for that in the dedicated message accessible with command/links. Just find that command among the basic commands or enter it directly into the chat box. Let's try both options. And now by typing it in. Again, if you have any questions, you can post them in the Cleopatra's Telegram channel, and Cleopatra will get back to you as soon as possible. That's all for that part of presentation. Scan QR code now to join Cleopatra.